When you sleep, do you lie on your right side? See why you should stop it right away. On average, we sleep about 8 hours each night, which means we spend a third of our lives asleep. Sleep is very important for health. If we don't get enough sleep, our bodies lose their balance. But according to a recent survey in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology, the amount of sleep is not the only factor affecting our health. Research has discovered that sleeping posture can significantly affect our health. Researchers found it's healthier to sleep on your left side. The reasons are quite simple but logical. 1. Improves lymphatic drainage. Research has shown that sleeping on the left side positively affects the functioning of the lymphatic system. This system transports important nutrients and cleanses the body, removing waste material filtered by the lymph nodes. Because these waste materials are channeled to the left side of the body before being expelled, sleeping on this side helps to drain them. 2. It is better for the heart. When you sleep on the left side, it is easier for the heart to channel blood to the body. That's because the aorta is tilted to the left. The blood must be channeled upwards when we sleep on the right side. But when we sleep on the left, blood flow improves. 3. Improves digestion. When we sleep on the right side, we allow stomach acid to move toward the esophagus. This is called gastroesophageal or, more simply, heartburn. But when we sleep on the left side, this acid cannot move to the esophagus because it comes out of the right side of the stomach. You should try sleeping on the right side if you have digestive system problems. 4. It's good for our natural anatomy. The stomach and pancreas are located on the left side of the body. When we sleep on our right side, our body has to work against the force of gravity. This puts pressure on the stomach and pancreas and impairs their proper functioning. 5. Relieves spleen. The spleen is also located on the left side of the body. This organ is responsible for purifying the blood. The waste materials that the lymphatic system carries go to the spleen, where they can be more quickly eliminated from the body. Can this important organ work effectively when we sleep on the left side? If you are still trying to convince, try sleeping on your left side for a few nights, and you may notice that you feel healthier.